Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a bookmark on iPhone. So first, for example, I'm searching Pepe the Frog, and then I tap search, and then choose the website. So for example, Wikipedia. Tap on it, and then now tap on the icon beside the book. Then scroll down and then tap on add bookmark, and then tap on save on the top right. And then add title first. So for example, and then tap save on the top right corner, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.